Greetings and welcome to another one of our videos. We'd like to invite you to listen to the last Voice of Yoga show that aired April 20th, 2026. The topic of that episode was spinning off into human brilliance. Swami, your insights.
It's a podcast to expose the pitfalls of doing anything with human will and personal sense. How and why it renders the divine law of healing obscure and void.
Looking to transcend human limits? Listen to the podcast. Visit the website www.ipdtransform.com. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful Kriya Yoga realization. Namaste.
Namaste.
Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamidam